seeing the wind is funny around those mountains and around the poles, you know? Look, the one guy's getting on the ladder hanging off the edge. That's so crazy. Woo! That's intense.
I put a pause